Hello everyone and welcome to E-Class for English 2. I hope you all have completed your worksheet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of chapter 2 Meet Roy and Spot. And in this session we are going to do worksheet 6. And in worksheet 6 we are having question and answers of chapter 2. As you can see on the board, worksheet 6 has been done. So on the left hand side of the margin at the top you are going to write the date. In whichever date you are doing the work, that date you are going to write. Suppose 10/9/2020, and first line you are going to mention worksheet 6. Second line, what we are doing? We are doing question and answers. So you are going to write QUESTION, question /ANSWERS, answers, question answers. Third line, Q1, question 1, and next to the margin WHO, who, WAS, was, SPOT, spot, S with capital because it's a name. Again, who, was, spot, and a question mark. For question we put question mark. Next line in the margin ANS, answer. We are going to start with capital letter S. S with capital, SPOT, spot. WAS, was. ROY, this is apostrophe, apostrophe S, Roy's. PET, pet, and a big full stop. Your full stop should be seen. Once again, answer, spot, was, Roy's pet. This means apostrophe. Apostrophe means Roy's pet. Pet, dog. Spot is a dog, name of a dog. So pet belongs to Roy. One more example I want to give. BABY, baby, apostrophe S, baby's ball, BALL, that means ball belongs to baby. So we write baby's ball. I hope you all have understood. And after question and answer 1, you are going to leave one line. Then next line, Q2, question 2. WHO, who, W with capital. LIKES, likes. TO2, JOG, jog, and a question mark because it's a question, so we are putting question mark. Who likes to jog? Next line, ANS in the margin, answer. R with a capital, ROY, Roy. AND, and. S with capital, SPOT, spot. Why we have written S with capital? Because spot is a name. L-I-K-E, like. T-O-2, J-O-G, jog, and a full stop. Once again, Roy and Spot like to jog, full stop. And one more thing, in the question you can see it's L-I-K-E-S, likes, but in the answer Roy and Spot like. You are going to write L-I-K-E, like. Here you are not going to write S. And one more thing, many of them they write like this, L-I-K-E. This is wrong, because here is it looking like small k? No, this is capital R. So how you are going to write like? How you are going to write K? L-I-K-E. Within these two blue lines, you are going to write small letter K. And many of them they write capital J like this. J. This is wrong. How you are going to small j they write like this. This is wrong. How you are going to write J? Small letter J. This way you are going to write. From the third line you are going to take it to the second line and then come down towards the fourth line and a turn. This way you are going to write small letter J. So you can see I have done worksheet 6 in the notebook. So this way you are going to do your worksheet 6. Left hand side of the margin, at the top you are going to mention the date. In whichever date you are doing the work, that date you are going to mention. First line you are going to write worksheet 6. Second line you are going to write question/answers. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question/answers. A-N-S-W-E-R-S, answers. I have left one line. If you want to leave, you can leave, or you can start from here. Question 1 in the margin, Q1. Then we are going to start with capital W, with capital W-H-O, who. W-A-S, was. S with capital because it's a name of a dog. S-P-O-T, spot, and question mark because this is question. So we are putting question mark. We are going to write the answer. Next line, A-N-S in the margin. Spot, S with capital, S-P-O-T, spot. W-A-S, was. R-O-Y, apostrophe S, Roy's. D-O-G, dog, and a full stop. On the board I have written pet. Dog is also correct and pet is also correct. Whatever you want to write. Then next line, question 2, Q2, W with capital. We are going to write the question. W-H-O, who. L-I-K-E-S, likes. T-O-2, J-O-G, jog, and a question mark. Who likes to jog? Answer, A-N-S, A-N-S in the margin. Answer, R with capital, R-O-Y, Roy. A-N-D, and S with capital, S-P-O-T, spot. Roy and Spot. These are names. So I have written R with capital because we are starting our sentence, and S I have written with capital because it's a name. Roy and Spot like, L-I-K-E, like to, T-O, to jog, J-O-G, jog, and a full stop. I couldn't finish my answer in one line, so I came to the next line and completed the answer. And on the next page, you are going to do the homework of worksheet 6. Left hand side of the margin, you are going to mention the date. In whichever date you are doing your work, that date you are going to mention. And which work you are going to do it as your homework? Worksheet 6. Worksheet 6. In worksheet 6, you are having question and answers. Now we are going to do question 3 and 4 of worksheet 6. And question 1 and 3 and 4 we are going to do on the next page. So left hand side of the margin, you are going to write the date. Suppose 10/9/2020. And first line, again you are going to mention worksheet 6. Second line, you are going to write question, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question / answers, A-N-S-W-E-R-S, question answers. Now next line, in the margin you are going to write Q3, question 3, with the capital letter W, W with the capital letter, W-H-E-R-E, where, W-A-S, was, T-H-E, the, F-R-O-G, frog, question mark, because this is a question. Next line we are going to write the answer. In the margin, A-N-S, T with the capital, T-H-E, the, F-R-O-G, frog, W-A-S, was, O-N, on, L-O-G, log, and a full stop. Once again, answer. The frog was on a log. Full stop. Then you are going to leave one line and from the next line. Question 4. Q4. W with capital. W-H-A-T, what, W-A-S, was, I-N-N, T-H-E, the, B-O-X, box, and a question mark. Once again, question number 4. What was in the box? Question mark. Next line, A-N-S in the margin, J with the capital, J-A-C-K, Jack, W-A-S, was, I-N-N, T-H-E, the, B-O-X, box, and a full stop. Jack was in the box. Jack was a toy. Inside the box, the toy was hidden. And when the box is open, what comes out suddenly? Jack, the toy comes out suddenly. So its name is Jack. Jack was in the box. And a full stop. I have done question number 3 and question number 4 in the notebook. Here is question 1 and question 2 homework, and then you're going to turn over and then you're going to write question number 3 and question number 4. Left hand side at the top you're going to write the date. In whichever date you're doing your work, that date you're going to mention. Worksheet 6. Next line, question and answers. If you want to leave a line, you can leave a line or you can start from here. Question number 3, Q3. W with capital, W-H-E-R-E, where, W-A-S, was, T-H-E, the, frog, F-R-O-G, frog, and a question mark. Next line, answer. The frog was on a log and a full stop. I couldn't finish my answer in one line. I came to the next line and completed my answer. So after question number 3, you're going to leave a line and then come to the next line. Question number 4. What was in the box? Question mark. AN is in the margin. Jack, J with the capital. J-A-C-K, Jack was in the box and a full stop. Next line, next page, you're going to do homework of worksheet 6. Left hand side, you're going to write the date. And which homework you will do? Of question 3 and 4. Children, you're going to do worksheet 6 in your English 2 CAT notebook. And with this, we come to an end of chapter 2. Meet Roy and Spot, and in the coming video we'll start worksheets of chapter 3. Meet Caddy the Kid. Till then, take care.